Every electric vehicle lover still faces the same problems that are related to batteries. Imagine if you can have a battery that will last 5 times more than what is in your Tesla now. Artificial intelligence is now being used to accelerate the process of finding the best Tesla battery, and some conclusions about recent announcements are positive. Every Tesla lover knows that replacing a Tesla's battery can break your pocket. The price of replacing a Tesla battery varies based on the amount of labor and materials that are required. According to the official Tesla website, the cost to replace a Tesla's battery at its most fundamental level often ranges between $13,000 and $14,000. The cost to replace a Tesla battery in a Model S premium automobile typically ranges between $13,000 and $20,000. But with the recent Elon Musk announcement, we have big news that will change everything in the battery industry. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't skip this video because you will be surprised by the new discoveries. Before we dive into the main topic of the video, I would like to ask you to subscribe and like the video. It will motivate me to create more Tesla-related videos. Right now, let's dive into the main topic of the video. The battery technology that Tesla utilizes is an essential component of the company's success, as Tesla is currently the market leader in the electric vehicle industry. Tesla has made significant strides in the development of its batteries in recent years, which has resulted in improvements in the driving range, reliability, and cost-effectiveness of its electric vehicles. The development of a new battery cell known as the 4680 is one of the most significant improvements that Tesla has made to its battery technology. This cell is significantly bigger than the one used in the Tesla batteries of the previous generation. Additionally, it has a higher energy density, which indicates that it is able to store more energy in a given volume. Because of this enhancement, the driving range of Tesla electric vehicles has significantly increased, and some models can now travel more than 500 miles on a single charge of their batteries. The utilization of nickel in the cathode is yet another essential component of the battery technology developed by Tesla. The cathode of the vast majority of electric vehicle batteries has traditionally been made of cobalt. However, cobalt is an expensive and morally questionable material, as the majority of the world's supply of cobalt is mined in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Canadian battery research partners have published a report on a novel battery cell that might last for more than 1 million kilometers. In 2015, Tesla began an exclusive research relationship with world-famous battery expert and Hertzberg Gold Medal recipient, Dr. Jeff Dahn, the first time the business had ever partnered with a university. At Dalhousie University in Halifax, Nova Scotia, Dr. Dahn teaches in both the Department of Physics and Atmospheric Science and the Department of Chemistry. He was an early pioneer in the development of the lithium-ion battery, which is now standard in many electronic devices and vehicles throughout the world. Dr. Dahn is credited with 65 patents, both issued and pending, and is considered a pioneer in the field of lithium-ion batteries, which he helped develop in the 1980s. After partnering with Dahn and his lab for 5 years starting in 2016, Tesla decided to extend the agreement for another 5 years starting in 2021. All future discoveries made in Dahn's lab will belong to Tesla exclusively until 2026. Dahn has now posted test results for what is almost certainly Tesla's new million-mile battery. Dr. Dahn explained that this will be game-changing for Tesla. They claim to have developed a battery design that, under ideal conditions, 100 years under the right conditions, in a report published in the Journal of the Electrochemical Society. Compared to more popular lithium-ion alternatives, lithium iron phosphate has a lower energy density, but it is cheaper, more robust, and ostensibly safer. LFP can endure up to 12,000 charge-discharge cycles, so beating it in this area is no mean task. After over 2,000 cycles, Dahn's NMC 532 cells retained 100% of their initial capacity. In the research, this is extrapolated to a lifespan of 100 years. The 4 million-mile battery was the topic of Dahn's March keynote address at the International Battery Seminar in Orlando, Florida. Since October 2017, Dahn has started testing cells based on his modified chemistry in an effort to deliver the million-mile battery he had previously promised. After 5 years of continuous cycling at ambient temperature, they reportedly show only 5% deterioration. They would be able to power an electric vehicle for 4 million kilometers before needing to be replaced. Tesla was able to lower the cost of its batteries and create a supply chain that is more sustainable by switching from lithium to nickel as the primary component. The application of artificial intelligence, AI, to improve the performance of Tesla batteries is another recent innovation in this company's battery technology. The artificial intelligence algorithms used by Tesla can analyze data from millions of batteries in real time. This enables the company to recognize patterns and make enhancements to the battery design as well as the manufacturing process. For instance, AI algorithms are able to determine which cells have the highest risk of failing, and they can replace those cells before they become a problem. This has resulted in a significant increase in the reliability of Tesla electric vehicles, as well as a reduction in the need for repairs. Tesla has been working to enhance the charging infrastructure for its electric vehicles, EVs. The company has established a global network of supercharger stations, which are designed to facilitate the rapid and hassle-free recharging of electric vehicles by their owners. A battery swap program has also been developed by the company, which enables drivers to quickly switch out their dead battery for a fully charged one. This program can be accessed by drivers through the company's website. Tesla has been exploring new uses for batteries outside of automobiles. Energy storage devices have been developed by the company for use in homes and businesses, allowing consumers to save excess power generated by solar panels for later use. With this innovation, consumers and companies will be able to produce and store their own energy, lessening their reliance on the utility grid. Changes in the EV market have been sparked by Tesla's recent innovations in battery technology. Because of the company's efforts, electric cars are now a serious contender to the status quo of gasoline-powered automobiles. This is due to advancements in a number of areas, including driving range, reliability, cost-effectiveness, sustainability, and charging infrastructure. Tesla's battery technology is likely to continue to develop and play a significant role in influencing the future of the automobile industry as the demand for EVs increases. Proponents of hydrogen energy typically say that batteries are simply a stopgap until FCEVs and hydrogen storage systems become commonplace. Hydrogen will be too little, too late when it finally arrives in sufficient quantities for transportation, but battery technology is advancing rapidly. In only a few years, batteries will have overcome every challenge they've faced because of technologies like those being developed by Dawn, lithium-sulfur advancements from companies like Theon, and ultra-rapid charging technology from companies like StoreDot. In order to develop safer and faster recharging batteries, scientists are using artificial intelligence. As battery technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, artificial intelligence has the potential to give electric vehicles a boost. The next generation of lithium-ion batteries, which are highly desired by electric vehicle engineers and marketers, is getting closer to being delivered thanks to the efforts of researchers. These batteries are safer, recharge faster, and are more sustainable than the current generation of lithium-ion batteries. Experts predict that within the next 5 years, electric vehicles will be priced similarly to conventional internal combustion engine vehicles. About 25% of an EV's price tag goes toward the battery, the majority of which is due to the cost of the battery's components. Researchers working on batteries can speed up their investigation of the universe of possible new material formulations by using AI. This has led to unprecedented rates of progress in scientific study and technological innovation. What would have taken years to find before can now be done in a matter of weeks, thanks to advances in technology. As George Crabtree, director of the Joint Center for Energy Storage Research at the University of Chicago's Argonne Lab, puts it, "Historically, we have operated on human intuition and experience, making small changes in things that have worked in the past." This center was established by the U.S. Department of Energy to hasten advancements in battery technology. Using machine learning, we can drastically cut down the time it takes to find new materials. Tesla is advanced in battery research. According to recent data, Tesla can reveal the best battery technology before 2026, so we are 3 years away to receive the best battery technology for sour Tesla cars. If you are a Tesla lover, comment down what you expect in coming years. Do you believe that the recent research on Tesla batteries will be concluded before 2026? On my side, I believe that in the next 5 years, we will have the best technology related to Tesla batteries. This is the end of the video. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe.